who do we have here today?
My name's Ken K.
Ken, what are we doing?
We're jumping out of the plane.
With a total stranger. Yeah, this is your idea?
But yep,
So it's your fault if this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday. Are we celebrating anything today?
we celebrated our birthday yesterday.
So if we don't make it to the next one, any last words?
But have a good time.
For me, it's always the same every time. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone. Please burn all of that stuff. Bury all that stuff in the desert. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun.
Sounds good.
High five, here we go. Woo! You ready for this, Ken?
Absolutely.
Let's go get in, get up, get out of this airplane, rock a skydive, and go have some fun. What do you think? Let's go do this. Yeah! Woo! Woo!
This is all right.
Pull that right one down. Look at the camera. Smile. Hands up. Relax. How you feeling?
Doing good.
You want to do another turn?
Yeah, I'm going to go to the left.
Pull it. Yeah, go ahead. Pull it down. Nice. Woo. There's all the Sangre Cristo Mountains.
Yeah.
Sit down. Yep. We're gonna get. Watch your face. You okay? Yeah, I'm good. Get the spaghetti monster all over us. High five. I need an adult. What do you think?
Quite an experience.
Yeah, you're gonna do that again someday?
I might do it for my next birthday. Who knows?
All right. Well, happy birthday. Come
Thank
back,
you.
see me again. I'll let you open the parachute next time.
Hey, that sounds like a plan.
All right.
I like that idea.
It's got to Colorado Springs. This could be you. Woo!